Hi dears, welcome to my channel. In the last class, we have discussed about the lesson 10, work, energy and power. Here we are doing some numerical problems in the same chapter. For many students, numericals is a nightmare. Here we are discussing 6 problems of this chapter. If you are able to solve all the 6 problems, I am damn sure that you will be able to solve all the numerical problems in this lesson. Shall we go one by one? The first question. A person pulled a block on a horizontal surface by applying the force of 6 Newton at an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. Find the work done by this force in displacing the block through 4 meter. In this question, a person is pulling a block on a horizontal surface which is having inclination of 60 degree. The inclination is 60 degree. So what is happening? If he is pulling it with a force of 6 Newton and at the angle of 60 degree, they are asking what is the work done. Okay, in displacing the distance of 4 meter. What is the first rule when we are seeing a numerical problem? Read the question thoroughly. We have read and we have understand the question. What is the second thing? The second thing is you have to write the terms which have been given here. Given as F is equal to 6 Newton. Okay, second, that angle is equal to 60 degree. Then the third one is displacement S is equal to 4 meter. We have written. The third point is we have to see whether the units are in SI or in CGS. If the units are in CGS, you have to convert it into SI. Okay, see here, this is in Newton and this is in meter. So, no need of conversion. Sign conversion is not needed. Okay, then the fourth point is what? What is the thing which we have to find? You have to write. What you have to find here? That is work done. Work done is what is the question. And the fifth one is you have to apply the formula for here. The fifth point is you have to apply the formula. What is the formula? Work done is equal to F S cos theta. What is F over here? 6. What is S? 4. Cos 60 degree. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2, isn't it? That's equal to 6 into 4 into 1 by 2. 2 got cancelled. 12. 12 joule is the answer. Okay, I think this is easy for you. This is the simple problem and we have solved it. Can go for the second one. Going for the second problem. The question is this. 2 girls, each of weight 400 Newton, climbs up a rock through the height of 7 meter. We name one of the girl A and the other B. Girl A takes 20 seconds while B takes 50 seconds to accomplish the task. What is the power extended by each girl? Okay, we have read the question, isn't it? Here 2 girls. 2 girls are there and one rope is there and the girls are climbing, isn't it? So the girls are climbing, each are having weight 400 Newton, isn't it? Each are having weight 400 Newton and they are climbing the rope. What is the length of the rope? That is 7 meter. Okay, this is the picture which is needed. Okay, and they have reached the top. This is girl A and this is girl B. Okay, up to this extent the things are clear. Now we have read the question and we have drawn the requirements which we need. We have drawn also. Okay, now we are going to write. What all things are given? Girl A, weight. Weight is what, ma? 400 Newton. For girl A we are seeing. She is having weight 400 Newton and the length of rope, that is S, is equal to what, ma? It is 7 meter. And the time for the first girl is what, ma? 20 seconds. What they are asking? Let's see whether they are in SI unit or any other units. No, all the things are in SI unit, so no need to convert. What they are asking? They are asking about the power. Power is what? Now we have to apply the formula. What is the formula for power? power is equal to work done divided by time. Okay, here power is equal to what, ma? This is work done divided by time. So, is the work done given here? No, work done is not given here. But instead, what all things are given? Weight 400 Newton. What is the meaning of weight? Weight means this is M into G, isn't it? M into G is equal to 400 Newton. Okay. Height, S can be equalized as height. H is equal to 7 meter. So, W is equivalent to energy E, and this is equal to mgh, isn't it? Mg is what? 400 Newton. 400 Newton. What is H? H is 7 meter. Is what, ma'am? 4 into 7, 28. 28, that's 2 zeros. 2800 joule is the work done for the first girl. Okay. Then what? Then we have to find the power. How can we find out power? P is equal to 2800 divided by time. What is the time taken by the first girl? 20. 0 cancelled. 2 is going in 28, 14 and 0 again. That is 140 watt. 140 watt is the power taken by the first girl for accomplishing the task. Okay, is it clear? Now we can go for the second girl. For girl B, what are things are given? Weight, that's equal to mg, is equal to say 400 Newton. Okay. Then length of the rope, that is height to which they are climbing, is equal to 7 meter, isn't it? The B has taken time as 50 seconds for accomplishing the task. Okay. So what you have to find here? Here also we have to find power. Same formula. W is equal to equivalent to mgh is equal to 400 into what? 7. The same answer you will get at 2800. What? What is 2800? 2800 joule. Okay. You should not forget to write the unit. If you are forgetting, the marks also will be going. Okay. Then power P is equal to what, ma'am? W by T is equal to what? 2800 divided by 50. 0 got cancelled. 28. 28 how many times? 5. 36. That's equal to 56. 56 watt. So she is having 66 watt. She has used 66 watt as the power for accomplishing the task because she has taken more time. But the first girl has taken less time. The things are clear? Now going for the third question. Dears, now the third question. In which case more work is done? They are asking in which case more work is done. First case is a block of 200 Newton is lifted straight up to a height of 4 meter. Case B. 100 Newton force is required to move the same block to the same height with the help of inclined plane of length 5 meter. What we are getting is two informations we are getting. First is the block is taken straight up. And the second case, with the help of inclined plane, they are taking the same load. Okay, same. In each case, we are solving and we are going to see in which case more work is done. Okay. Okay, the first case. Is there any picture needed? Yes. Block. Straight up. A. First case. The second case, block with the slanting direction, the block is taken. Okay, this is the case B. So the first case, case A. Here they have given what, ma? Force 200 Newton. Then height is equal to 4 meter. Is there any angle mentioned here? No, because it is taken straight up. So, what is the formula for work done? W is equal to, what is the question, isn't it? W is equal to F into S. That's equal to 200 into 4 is equal to what? 800 joule. Case B. There also force is there, but the value is different, that is 100 Newton. And inclined plane having meter, S is equal to what ma? 5 meter. There also no need for conversion of CGS into SI and all, because everything is correct. W is equal to what ma? Here also F into S, F cross S, because they have not mentioned what is the theta value. So that's equal to what ma? 100 into 5 is equal to what ma? 500 joule. Here it's very clear that more work has to be done while we are lifting to straight up, while less work is needed for the same block if we are taking it in inclined plane. Okay. The fourth question goes like this. A body of mass 4 kg is moving with a momentum of 8 kg meter per second. A force of 0.2 Newton acts on it in the direction of motion of the body for 10 seconds. What is the increase in kinetic energy? What we are understanding from this is, initially a body was moving, having the mass, and they have mentioned about the momentum also. In this momentum the body was moving. Then what happens? After some times, a force of 0.2 Newton has been added. Okay, so what happens is, its kinetic energy has been increased. So they are asking, what is the increase in kinetic energy? Means what? What is the work done? What is the work done is equivalent to the increase in kinetic energy, isn't it? So we have to calculate what is the work done on the system. Okay, or a body was moving and a force has been added. So increase the speed. So what is the increase in kinetic energy? They are asking. Okay. So mass of the body is equal to 4 kg. Then what has been given? Momentum. Momentum P is equal to mv, isn't it? It's equal to what ma? 8 kg meter per second is the thing given. Then what all things has been given? Again, force of 0.2 Newton has been added to a time of 10 seconds. Increase in kinetic energy. It is equivalent to what? Work done. Work done is equal to what is the question? It is equal to what? F cross S, isn't it? What is the distance which it has been travelled after applying force? We don't know. So we have to calculate this S initially. Then only we are able to calculate the work done. So how can we find out S? What is the formula for S? Kinematics. You know the formulas of kinematics, isn't it? The S is equal to what? Ut plus half a t square, isn't it? Time is given. Okay, t, no problem. But what is u? What is a? All these things you have to find. What are things you have to find now? U is equal to what? You have to find. A is equal to what? Also you have to find. How can we find it? For that, momentum has been given. mv, or we can say mu. Why? Because initially the body was moving with the momentum. So what? It is equivalent to mu. Mu. Okay. So mass is, you know, and momentum also you know. It's easy to find out what? U. How can we find out? P is equal to mu is equal to 8 kilogram meter per second. Okay, you have to write. So m is equal to what? 4. So u is equal to what? 8 by 4. That's equal to what? 2 meter per second. Found out u. Then what? What is the next thing? We have to find acceleration. How can we find acceleration? For that also F is given. F is equal to 0.2 Newton. What is the formula for F? F is equal to ma, isn't it? Is equal to ma. Apply the formula. F is equal to ma is equal to 0.2 Newton. Here m is equal to what ma? 4 kilogram, isn't it? So what is A? That's equal to 0.2 divided by 4 is equal to what ma? How can we change it? How can we convert? If something is given in this form, how can we easily convert it? In which case, this 2 will go in 4. No. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, isn't it? For that, we have to convert this 2 as 20. For that, how many zeros we have to add? 0.2 into, to convert it into 20, 100. Divided by 4 into 100. Okay. So, 20 is equal to 20 divided by 400. Okay, leave the 400 like that. Is equal to 100. 5. 5 by 100 is equal to what, ma? 0.05. This is the easy way to find out the values. We have to multiply with 10 or 100 or whatever it is in order to remove the decimal. Okay, then it will be easy for you to do and mistakes will not be happen. So acceleration is equal to 0.05 meter per second square, isn't it? So we have found out U as well as A. Now apply the formula and find S. So U is what, ma? U is 2 meter. 2 into what is T? 10. UT. Okay, no. Okay. UT plus half. What is A? 0.05 into 10 square. 10 into 10. Isn't it? Is equal to 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Plus half 0.05 into 100. Isn't it? So the decimal place will go off. Isn't it? So 20 plus 5 by 2. What is 5 by 2? It's 2.5. 20 plus 2.5 is 22.5. It is what? It is in meter. So we found S. Now what is the next step? We have to find work done. How can we find out work done? F into S. W is equal to F cross S is equal to, what is F over here? 0.2. 0.2 Newton into what? 22.5 meter. What is the value which you are getting? That is, and decimal place, when we are adding the decimal place, we will get the answer as 4.5 joule. This is the work. This is the work done, or this is increase in kinetic energy. How to find out? You understood? Okay, we can go for the fifth problem. Now the fifth problem. A boy of mass 50 kg runs up a staircase of 45 steps in 9 seconds. If the height of each step is 15 cm, find his power. Take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay. Here what is given? A boy is climbing a staircase. Staircase he is climbing. What is the mass of the boy? What is the mass of the boy? Boy is having 50 kg. Okay, how many steps are there? 45 steps are there. And what is the height of each step? That is 15 cm. All these things have been given and they are asking what is the power. Okay, can we do? Okay. The required drawing we have done, and for now we are writing the things. Mass is equal to 50 kg and steps 45. Height of each step is equal to 15 centimeter. Then what we have to find? We have to find the power. What is the formula of the power? Power is equal to work done divided by time. Is the time given? Yes. What is the time? Time is equal to 9 seconds. Okay, all this has been given. So initially we have to find what? Initially we have to find the work done. How can we find out the work done? Work done is equivalent to what, ma? Work done is equal to mgh. Okay. Mass is given as 50. Mass is given as 50 and G. G is what? They told that G has been taken. G, you can take G value as 10. So mg. What is h? H we have no idea. Because 45 steps are there and the height of each step is given. So we have to find total height. Okay, each step is having this much and there are 45 steps. So what we have to do? Height for that we have to multiply. We have to find h initially. H is equal to what, ma? 45 into 15. Is it correct? No, because 15 is in CGS. So convert it into SI divided by 100. Okay. So 45 into 15 divided by 100. This is equal to 6.75 meter. This is the answer you will get. Okay. So this is H. Now can we apply W? Work done. WD is equal to what, ma? M. What is M? 50 into 10 into 6.75. What is the answer you are getting? Can we find it out? 50 into 10 into 6.75. These two zeros will cancel these decimal places. So we can do 675 into 5, isn't it? 5 5s are 25. 5, 2. 7 5s are 35, 36, 37. 3. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. 3375 is the work done. That is 3375, 3375 joule is the work done. Now what we have to find? Power. Power is equal to 3375 joule divided by 9 seconds, isn't it? So in this we have to see cutting. 9 in 33, how many times? 3 times, isn't it? 3 times 27. After 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 67. 67 how many times, ma? 7 times. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. 4. 45. 5. So what is the answer? Power. Power is equal to 375 watt is the power. This much power the boy is having for climbing the 45 steps in 9 seconds. Okay. Now, sixth and last question. 2 HP electric motor gives energy to the pulley system that lifts the load of 10 kg to a height of 10 meter in 1.5 seconds. Find A. Input, that is work done by the motor on pulley system. B. Output, the load lifted. And C. Efficiency of the pulley. A motor has been fitted and the motor is pulling the load of this much mass and to a height and that is given, and also in which time 1.5 seconds it is pulling. So what you have to find? How much input is given, and second one, how much output the pulley is taken, and the third one is efficiency of the pulley system. Okay, so how can we find out? What is the connection between the horsepower and the power? That is 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt, isn't it? This is the connection. So what is 2 horsepower? Means what? 2 into 746 watt. 746 into 2. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 1 remaining. 4 2s are 8. 9. Then 14. That is 1492 watt is what? It is the power of the motor. And what we have to find? Input. Input means how much work is done. How can it be found out? Power is equal to what, ma? W divided by T. Therefore, W is equal to what, ma? Power into T. What is the time? 1.5 seconds. So what is the answer? 1492 into 1.5 is what? We will get the answer as 2238 joule. Okay. This much is the work done by the electric motor. Okay, ma? This is input. This is input work. Okay. See, for output. Output, what is that? mgh, which, how much mass it is taking? 10 kilo. And what is the gravity? It is taken as 10 meter per second square. And to which height it is taking? 10 meter. So what is the work done over here? mgh, isn't it? mgh is equal to what? 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to what, ma? 1000 joule. This is the output work. Okay. This is the output. Now we have to find the third one, that is efficiency of the pulley system. How can it be found out? This is having an equation, efficiency is equal to output divided by input into percentage, that is 100. See, efficiency of the system is equal to what ma? Output by input into 100, isn't it? Output is what ma? 1000 joule, isn't it? 1000 divided by 2238 joule into 100, isn't it? So what is the answer? The answer will be, when you are dividing, you will get the answer as 44.8 is the efficiency. I think this problem is also clear for you.